Hello, it's Jammer Chess here, and this is the ending between game between Wesley So and Sam Shankland in US Chess Championships, where they play 13 rounds, like in 19th century, extremely long tournament. So Wesley lost yesterday to Christopher Wu, and today he's tried to fight back against 2700 player. So this is Sicilian, and Wesley So played it very modestly. He chose not too ambitious variation, which gives, I think, Black very good play. And the evaluation was switching from one side to another, and Wesley managed to, get advantage. So he has his pawn up, but Black has certain advantages. So they managed to pull this d5 because d6 in Najdorf is a weak pawn basically, and they attack this pawn, and both these pawns are under pressure. Yeah, engine gives very good evaluation for white, and they suggest this move: rook takes a6. Because if queen takes, then this is actually even better for black. Yeah, just a little bit. Because black has no weaknesses and white has to defend this pawn, which is not going too far. But obviously white can take here, and this position is better for white. They still are pawn up, and engine says that white most likely will have this 4 pawns against 3 pawns with knight, and I don't know, I'd say some winning chances, obviously, but not that winning. And this is problem where why you have to be a good chess player and know a lot about endgames. Yeah, when you can see your chances after 10-20 moves that you can fight for a draw. And when you're a weaker player, you just see that, okay, I'm pawn down, I don't want to trade pieces. I want just to have as many pieces as possible so my opponent can actually make a mistake. Yeah, and that's why some played rook to d8, just keeping all the pressure, threatening death with discovery on queen. And in this position, Wesley played like tactical chess, yeah, which is he's not like very considered to be like not the best his ability. And combination is not always, of course, a sacrifice. Not always to be has to be very tactical, even though this is a lot of tactics involved. You just see that, yeah, Black King is you can destroy the king's defenses and get very nice knight on g4. So he took this knight on f6, obviously, and which is the best move. So he took back and knight to g4. Excellent position for knight, attack in f6, h6, and king. King g7 and queen d2. These are all best moves for white. So white attacks the h6, and with knight they create very strong pair of attackers, so you have to play this move, and he just takes the pawn on d5. So I don't know whether I would calculate all this, but it's hard for less strong players to see that they move the rook, and now it's not defending the d5, so he just takes it for free, and he has 2 pawns for exchange, and black has very weak king, so knight goes to e5, knight f5, a lot of ideas, and also this rook here is misplaced, and you need these defenders, so I think very winning position for white here. Queen c7, attacking the c3, rook a3. It's not a mistake, just engine suggested knight e3 is more precise, just attacking f5. I think it's totally fine. And another mistake. You want to play this move, of course, discovery and open up the king. It's check, but white has the very easy response d6. Yeah, and they get another tempo, and they have totally winning position now. Queen f4, attacking f6, and takes another pawn. Yeah, so this knight is much better than this rook. Sometimes it's when you calculate, you think that at some point I will have this time to improve my pieces, but this is the worst rook ever. And knight d3, check, check, and in this position already black resigned probably, because if knight takes, then this, okay, 5 wins to absolutely here, and this is checkmate. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.